Equity as an asset class offers a wide range of benefits like ownership in business, liquidity and transparency, wealth creation and economic linkages. Equity is known to outperform fixed income instruments as well over a long period of time. The current economic environment is ripe for investing in equity owing to low interest rates, expected demand recovery, revival of capex across industries and other key factors. In such fertile economic landscape, the Indian pharma market is poised for growth and expansion. How can you leverage one of the most rapidly growing and evolving businesses in India for long-term wealth creation? Introducing the new ITI Pharma and Healthcare Fund, an open-ended equity scheme investing in pharma and healthcare. The ITI Pharma and Healthcare Fund is designed to spread allocations across the entire Indian healthcare ecosystem, consisting of pharmaceutical companies, hospitals, diagnostic chains, medical equipment manufacturers amongst others, using a bottom-up valuation-based approach to analyze business and market cycles. The fund adopts a market cap agnostic approach to portfolio construction and is ideal for long-term equity investors who have an investment horizon of 4 to 5 years. For investors who are looking to invest in this growing and expanding landscape with an eye on long-term growth, the fund offers a range of advantages, including the flexibility to invest across market caps and investing style to optimize risk-return payoffs, and a chance to capitalize on the changing trends that are reshaping the global pharma and healthcare industry. As part of our evaluation, we look at various factors including technological edge, scalability and stability of business, good corporate governance, sound balance sheet and other factors. We at ITI Mutual Fund have conducted a deep study into the Indian healthcare business landscape to identify companies ripe for investments using our growth at reasonable price style of investing. So are you ready to take a dose of stability with the ITI Pharma and Healthcare Fund? Invest now and set yourself up for long-term wealth creation. To know more, call your mutual fund distributor today. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.